We are a professional manufacturer of flexible packaging bags, and one of our specialties is the production of a wide variety of high-quality packaging solutions that can be tailored to meet the requirements of a wide range of customers. We mainly manufacture OPP block bottom bags, spout pouches, coffee packaging bags, box bottom bags, wine bags with valves, and child-resistant bags, fruit and vegetable bags. In our factory, we have made it a priority to produce remarkable goods that are trustworthy and conform to the industry's most stringent criteria for quality. We are quite proud of the fact that we are able to deliver individualized services that are tailored to meet the specific needs of each individual customer. If you are seeking a trustworthy provider of packaging solutions, we encourage you to visit our website at www.plastics-packing.com or get in touch with us via WhatsApp at 86 138 2350 2792 to discuss your requirements. We would very much appreciate it if you could get in touch with us. Website www.plastics-packing.com. WhatsApp 86 138 2350 2792. Our compostable craft paper stand-up zipper bags are an eco-friendly packaging solution that combines functionality with sustainability. Made from high-quality craft paper, these bags feature a sturdy stand-up design and a convenient zipper closure that keeps the contents fresh and secure. These bags are not only durable and reliable, but they are also 100% compostable, making them an excellent choice for businesses that value environmental sustainability. Our compostable craft paper stand-up zipper bags are suitable for a wide range of products, including snacks, dry foods, pet food, and more. If you are looking for a sustainable packaging solution that doesn't compromise on quality, our compostable craft paper stand-up zipper bags are the perfect choice for you. www.plastics-packing.com. Our craft paper toast bags with a tinted and clear window are the perfect solution for packaging delicious toast, bagels, and pastry items. Made from high-quality paper, OPP, CPP, or paper/PLA laminated material, these bags feature a convenient fold-over tin-tie closure that keeps the contents fresh and secure. Our craft paper toast bags with tin tie are an excellent choice for cafes, bakeries, and other food establishments that require reliable and convenient packaging solutions. We take pride in our efficient production process for adding tin tie to our craft paper toast bags. Our automatic machine is specifically designed to stick tin tie to the bags, ensuring that the process is quick and seamless. This allows us to produce large quantities of craft paper toast bags with tin tie efficiently, without compromising on quality. If you are looking for a high-quality and efficient solution for packaging your baked goods, our craft paper toast bags with tin tie are the perfect choice. Contact us to discuss your requirements and learn more about our products and services.